From the dawn of storytelling, humans have dreamt of bending space and time. We yearn to travel vast distances in the blink of an eye. This desire has fueled our imaginations, giving birth to the concept of teleportation. Who hasn't wished they could simply disappear and reappear somewhere else? Science fiction is brimming with teleportation. Star Trek's iconic transporter with its "Beam me up, Scotty" has captivated audiences for generations. But teleportation isn't just a figment of science fiction. Scientists are exploring its possibilities in the realm of quantum mechanics. While beaming humans across continents might still be a distant dream, the seeds of this technology are being sown in laboratories today. The allure of teleportation lies in its promise of instant travel, a tantalizing solution to the frustrations of our modern, interconnected world. The daily commute, a necessary evil for many. We've all experienced the frustration of traffic jams. We inch along, our patience wearing thin. The stress of lost time and wasted fuel adds up, not to mention the environmental impact. Cars and buses spew out harmful emissions, polluting our cities and contributing to climate change. Wouldn't it be incredible to bypass this daily grind? Imagine a world without traffic lights, without the honking horns and the endless sea of brake lights. Teleportation offers a tantalizing glimpse into a future where we could reclaim those lost hours and reduce our carbon footprint. The science behind teleportation is mind-boggling, rooted in the strange world of quantum mechanics. It involves concepts like entanglement, where particles become linked and can influence each other instantaneously, regardless of distance. Researchers have successfully teleported the quantum states of photons and even atoms, but scaling this up to larger objects, let alone humans, presents enormous challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is the sheer amount of information needed to describe a human being. Imagine trying to transmit the blueprint of every single atom in your body. Then there's the issue of reassembling that information perfectly at the destination. Even a tiny error could have catastrophic consequences. While true human teleportation remains a distant goal, the progress made in quantum teleportation is paving the way for future breakthroughs in communication and computing. While we might not be able to physically teleport ourselves yet, technology is offering us glimpses into that experience. Virtual reality allows us to immerse ourselves in digital worlds, experiencing far-off destinations from the comfort of our homes. We can explore ancient ruins, walk the streets of foreign cities, or even dive into the depths of the ocean, all without taking a single step outside. Augmented reality takes a different approach, overlaying digital elements onto our real-world surroundings. Imagine attending a meeting with colleagues from around the globe, their holographic projections appearing right in your living room. While not quite teleportation, these technologies offer a taste of what it might be like to bridge vast distances effortlessly, connecting us in ways never before imagined.